Lesson 1.5 is equations. Vocabulary for this section includes open sentence, equation, solution, replacement set, element, solution set, and identity. Okay, so what some of these vocabulary words mean is, if we're solving an equation, a mathematical statement that contains an algebraic expressions and symbols is an open sentence. A sentence that contains an equal sign is an equation. So this one here, this is an open sentence. This one is an equation because it has the equal sign. So finding the value for variables that makes a sentence true is called solving an open sentence. I lied. Okay, so an open sentence could be either of these, but this one's an equation, this one's an expression. Okay, so the replacement value is a solution. So a set of numbers from which replacements from a variable can be chosen is called a replacement set. A set is a collection of objects or numbers that is often shown using braces. So a lot of times they look like this. Oops, that's really bad. Like those little weird curly brackets. They're like that. Hi. Badish. Anyways, so a solution set is an element from which the replacement set that make an open sentence true. So if we're looking at this, 4a plus 7 equals 23, I want to know which of these values, when I put it in for a, from 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, which one of these make a true? So if I put in 2, I do 4 times 2 plus 7, and I want to see if that equals 23. So 4 times 2 is 8, plus 7 is 17. Just kidding. 15. So this one is not 23. So 2 is not the solution. If I try with the 3, 4 times 3 plus 7, is that one equal to 23? So I do 4 times 3 is 12 plus 7. Is that equal to 23? That's 19. 19 is not equal to 23. So 3 is not the solution. If I try with 4, 4 times 4 plus 7 equals 23. I get 16 plus 7, which is equal to 23. So I get 23 equals 23. And I say yes. So that means that A equals 4, and 4 is my solution from this replacement set. So you guys do this one to figure out which of those values is the solution. Okay, example 2. If I want to solve this for B, I'm just going to simplify this side of the equation over here to get it simplified. So I'm following order of operations. I'm first looking for parentheses. Inside my parentheses, I have 2 to the third minus 2. So then within that, I have an exponent. So this is going to be 3 plus 4. 2 to the third is 8 minus 2 equals B. So 8 minus 2, staying inside the parentheses, finishing that first, 6 equals B. Now I'm looking for multiplication and division. We have 4 times 6, so I have 3 plus 24 equals B, and I get 27 equals B. So my answer is B. Okay, you guys try this one to solve for W. Example 3. What if we have something divided by n? So first thing equals 8. So the first thing I'm going to do is simplify this. So I'm going to have 4 plus 3 squared is 9. So this becomes 9 plus 7. Divided by n equals 8. So 4 plus 9 plus 7 is 16 divided by n equals 8. And I can think about this and how this might work. So 4 plus something gives me 8. And I want to have, so 4, if I think about this, because I know this is going to be one step. 4 plus something equals 8. 4 plus what is 8? That would be 4. So 16 divided by what gives me 4? And that would be 4. So I'm going to have 4 plus 4 equals 8. And basically n is. For this one, we want to first start by using the distributive property on these. So this is going to become 4n minus 12 minus 2, combining, distributing that negative, equals 6n minus 2n minus 9. So if I simplify this, this over here becomes 4n minus 14, and here this becomes 4n minus 9. Now, because 4n and 9n, sorry, 4n and 4n are the same, that means that in order for these two equations to be the same, this and this would also have to be the same. Because if this is 4n and this is 4n, how could they be equal if this number is different? So in this case, those 4n's, they kind of cancel, and then it's like saying negative 14 equals negative 9, which is not true. So this one here, if you ever get to a statement when you're solving an equation and it doesn't give you a true statement at any point during it, you could say no solution. Okay? You guys try this. All right, example 4. If we were to go through and solve this, we're first starting inside of the parentheses. So inside here, we're doing division before addition. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. So I have 5 plus 2 plus 3k. Over here, I can distribute that 3. I get 3k plus 96 minus 89. And then I can simplify this. So 5 plus 2 is 7, so I get 3k plus 7. And over here I get 3k. And 96 minus 89 is also 7. So here I end up getting the same thing on both sides. I get 3k plus 7. So when you get a true statement, both sides equal to each other, that means infinitely many solutions. Okay, because you can put any number in for k and it will come out true. You guys try this one. And number 5. Delilah pays $16 per month for a gym membership. In addition, she pays $2 for her Pilates class. Write and solve an equation to find the total amount Delilah spent this month if she took 12 Pilates classes. So within the month, she's paying $16. And then for each Pilates class she takes, she pays $2. So 16 for the month plus the $2 for each Pilates class. So we want to figure out how much she spent if she took 12 Pilates classes. I'm going to put that in for P. So I'm going to have 16 plus 2 times 12. Okay, so then it's going to be 16 plus 24, and I'm going to say that she spent $40 for that. All right, you do this one. And that is the end of lesson 1-5.